Hey friends, if you wish to update AMD Radeon graphics card drivers on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, first of all, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the AMD one and select Update Drivers and update it. The second one is to right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates. And the third one is to search for AMD graphics drivers, and then you can go to driver and support processors for graphics, select download Windows drivers and open them, and it is an exe file. By opening it, you are installing it by default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.